Hey brow beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about trimming your eyebrows. A lot of people tend to use different things and different styles for trimming, and I'm just going to show you super basics on how to do it at home. You know, a lot of my clients come in and I see that they have everything, you know, chopped up or just some weird stuff going on in their eyebrows. And I ask them, like, well, what are you doing? They're like, oh, well, you know, I'm using clippers to trim my eyebrows, or I just grab like the scissors from my kitchen drawer to trim my eyebrows. So I obviously get a little disappointed because they come in and it's a super disaster. So I'm going to show you a couple tips on how to do it at home, and let's get started. Alright, first things first, we're going to need your favorite brow pencil, and guys, find a little small pair of scissors, like there's brow scissors everywhere, or just something tiny that you can use to just trim your hair, okay? So this is the Urban Decay Brow Beater in Dark Drapes. That is for those of you who are wondering. I'll obviously put out the information of what I'm using. So first things first, I normally start off by combing my eyebrows in the direction that they flow. Okay, the hair growth direction, okay? And I like to fill in my eyebrows before I actually trim, because like that I won't over trim. And that goes for people who, you know, who don't have the skills. So this is a really good tip to just make sure that you don't over trim your brows. So I very lightly, just kind of stroke, 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 just following my natural brow. Alright, and I'll do the other one. Always comb, 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 and do the same. So I'm just filling in my natural brow shape, because I don't want to cut more than I'm supposed to. I'm gonna fill this in a little bit. I don't have much hair there, so I don't want to over trim there, because then I'll have no brows. Alright, so now I've trimmed. Next, you're gonna grab your pair of scissors. This is not even a brand, guys. This is something I picked up at a local shop here in Barcelona. I just went in, so I thought they were cute, so I just bought them. You can never have too many scissors. So what I do now is I like to comb up first, just to see what's going on. And normally my right eye, I always have like super long hair. I don't know where that comes from. This one's not so long, but this is the brow that I have a lot of problems with. Alright, so I tend to comb up. Look at this, there's like a wild hair right there. And I will begin the trimming process. So once they're up like this, you're just gonna trim minimal, like you're trimming a bonsai tree. Instead of actually going horizontally and just clipping, I like to go in at an angle and just clip carefully all these really long hairs. I start clipping very little. I don't want to go too much, because then I might overcut. I don't go horizontal because I'm afraid it might be too choppy, right? So I keep doing the same thing, combing up, and then doing the same thing, just clipping a little bit at an angle, very, 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 very little snips. So when I comb this way, they sit nicely where they're supposed to go. You never want to trim so close to the brow, because especially in this area, because then you'll take away a lot of the flow when you comb it back into its natural flow, okay? Here in the front, I do like to do the horizontal thing because I do like my brows to have that little nice edged up front bit. So there, I don't have them too long. Okay. There's one that keeps sticking up, so I'm gonna go ahead and trim that one. And again, I'm gonna kind of go in an angle, trim that crazy one. Vale. Alright, so that right there. And then here, well, yeah, I don't have much to trim, but I'll just still go horizontal and go a little tighter in the front, you know? A little closer to the brow. All right, so now next we get the comb and then we comb down, guys. All right, we comb down and you see a lot of it is like super long. And again, these guys, very little, trim very little, and I'm also gonna go in at an angle, just trimming very, very little. Very, very little. Just so my comb is nice and tight. All right. That's it. And once you have your eyebrows trimmed, as you can see, they magically just sit in place where they're supposed to. And you are good to go. Any questions or anything that you want to know, or you just wondering what to use or what not to use, let me know and I'll help you out. Thank you so much, my brow beauties. I'll check you out on the next one.